Hi all, I'm Karin Hanson, a senior show mechanical engineer with Walt Disney Imagineering. And I'm sure many of you are familiar with the stories and characters of Disney. Well, at Walt Disney Imagineering, our job is to turn those stories into actual places that you, your friends, and your family can all come to visit and experience those tales. We create a wide variety of experiences in our Disney parks and resorts throughout the entire world. And as a show mechanical engineer, I mainly focus on bringing these characters to life by designing audio-animatronics figures. These audio-animatronics are the robotic people and animals that we use to fill our attractions and lands so that you can come face to face with some of your favorite characters. I have had some great opportunities in my time at Disney to work on characters such as Bashful in Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, in the Magic Kingdom, and then Olaf and Sven in Frozen Ever After at Epcot at Walt Disney World. My most recent project, though, brought me to a galaxy far, far away, where I worked on Rise of the Resistance, which is an attraction within Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, a new land that opened at both Disneyland and Disney's Hollywood Studios in Walt Disney World. I got to help design audio-animatronics characters of some of our favorite heroes like BB-8 and Finn, and then also some of the villains that we love to hate like Kylo Ren and over 100 stormtroopers. We even got to introduce a new character, Lieutenant Beck. He's a Mon Calamari with the Resistance that helps us as we try to escape the clutches of the First Order. The main goal of audio-animatronics figures is to create the illusion of life. We want our guests to believe that they are actually interacting with these characters in person. And my role, I focus on designing the actual mechanical parts that are within that character, within the robot. So I use math and physics to make sure I design and build a mechanism that allows the character to move and perform in a way that really tells the story. Sometimes that means making sure that BB-8 can roll into a room to brief some new Resistance recruits on a mission. Other times it means making sure that Kylo Ren can use the Force to pull a ride vehicle closer for interrogation. But my role is just one small bit of what it takes to create a full audio-animatronic character. I work with a huge variety of people in order to combine our strengths and knowledge to effectively bring a character to life. Strong teamwork with other engineers and painters and costumers and animators and many other roles is so important to creating a believable experience for our guests. We also rely on each other to creatively solve problems. By putting our brains together, we're able to use our diverse backgrounds to find different approaches to challenges and really find the best solution possible. I absolutely love collaborating with so many talented people. I wanted to be an Imagineer for the Walt Disney Company for years before I finally got hired. I always loved the arts, but I excelled in math and science. And it wasn't until after a family trip to the Walt Disney World where I finally realized that I could combine those seemingly two very different paths into a career. To try to become an Imagineer, I focused on school, but I also made sure to develop a lot of other skills as well. So I was in band and theater to keep pushing myself creatively, and then I joined a few volunteer groups so that I could gain some leadership and teamwork experience as well. I wanted to be as well-rounded as possible to offer as much to my future job as I could. But after all of my hard work, I was actually denied for my first position that I applied for, and I was definitely devastated. But I kept pushing myself and trying to better prepare myself, and eventually I was finally offered my dream job as an engineer with Walt Disney Company. I absolutely love working as a show mechanical engineer for Walt Disney Imagineering. I have the honor of breathing life into these characters that people around the globe and across generations have fallen in love with. And it's just so rewarding to see these people connect with these characters in an entirely new level. I get to use my love of math and science in combination with my respect for the arts in order to build memories for families year after year. It truly is a dream job. To learn more about the different roles within Walt Disney Imagineering, I encourage you to check out Imagineering in a Box through Khan Academy. It really explores all the different skill sets and different roles that we have within Walt Disney Imagineering to create these immersive experiences. Now get out there and keep dreaming and keep doing.